In this video, we will show you how to configure your Telus eClaim as part of your account with CompanyOn. The first step is to make sure that you have registered with Telus Health. Once you have do so, then you will be able to configure your credentials within CompanyOn. So the first step would be heading to the settings area, and then you will see Connect Telus Health eClaims. From here, you will just log in with the credentials that you have generated once you sign up with Telus Health. Once you have logged in with your credentials, then you can go into the configuration process. In here, you are going to follow the prompts. Make sure that the information you are adding to the different fields do align with the ones that you were able to create when you sign up with Telus Health. Once you have saved this information, please head to your profile and make sure that you align the discipline that you sign up with Telus Health into the discipline field right here as part of your profile. For example, let's just use the discipline counselor. It will then prompt you to add those credentials as part of Telus Health eClaims. So make sure that you add that information there. Next, head to the services area as part of your admin menu. Once you are in the service area or module, if you have already created services that do align with the insurance companies, you can click on that service. And as long as you are selected as one of the users, then you can select or add the Telus code for that specific service. So you will have a list of those services or codes, and then just add it as part of that service. Add a description, and then click Save. If you are creating a brand new service for Telus eClaims, then just create a service. Make sure that you add yourself as the provider in order for those codes to show, and then select the service, and then just complete the rest of the information that is required for that service. The next step would be adding the policy, the insurance policy, to that client that you want to submit a claim for. So we're going to use this individual as an example. So going to the client's profile in the timeline, going to policies, and then just ask the client for the policy information. Just click Telus Health eClaims, and then just add the information on the policy. And once you've added it, just save it. And now the policy for that specific client will be linked to the system and to the services that you will be able to then bill on their behalf. So now that you have configured Telus eClaims to your account, you have linked it to your credentials, you have now generated the services and linked them to the codes that Telus Health provides, and you have collected the policy insurance information and added to the client's profile, you are now ready to book appointments and then be able to submit them via Telus eClaims. What you will do next is you will be able to then go into the calendar, as doing any appointments that you will do. Select the client, make sure that the client has already a policy in place. Select the service, make sure that the service you are selecting is one of the services that Telus eClaims accept, and select yourself as the practitioner. And once you've done that, then that appointment is now set. Next, now that the appointment is set and linked to Telus eClaims, what you will do is once the client is at the point of care, you will be able to check in that appointment. In here, you will be able to do two things. One is to generate a predetermination for see what is the amount that this individual has on their policy for the specific service, or directly generate the claim. So once you've done either one, and then you go and generate the claim, any amount that the insurance company will be able to pay, if it is the whole amount, then you will be able to generate the invoice and process that payment completely through Telus eClaims. Or if there is any remaining balance on the service that you're providing, you will be able to process that balance through the system. So there will be a charge that is paid directly through the insurance company, and then there is a balance that the client will have to generate. Follow the prompts that comes with each of these steps, and that's it. If you require further instructions, please do not hesitate to contact us at support@companyonapp.com. Thank you.